Hey, what is good, fam? My name is Robbie, and I am back, baby. I am back making an amazing video that I'm really excited for. So, I haven't made a video in a really long time, so I figured that on this amazing trip that I'm going on, I'll talk about it in a minute, I would vlog it and take you guys with me. Merry Christmas, by the way. I know this isn't the ugliest of ugly sweaters, but it is the best I could do, and I love it. It's so freaking comfortable. I could curl up in it. Anyway, it has been such a long time since I've made a video, and I decided to make one a pretty special one. In a couple days, I am leaving for Mexico to spend New Year with a couple friends. I was invited to go to Cabo with a couple of my friends, and of course, I could not turn that down. It is an amazing opportunity for me. So of course, I will be taking you guys on a ride. I will be taking you guys with me. Right now, I'm filming with my phone because my freaking camcorder right there, my vlogging camera is charging. So it might not be the best quality right now. So anyway, guys, on a separate note, there's something that's been going on for a little bit, and this is the reason why I haven't been making YouTube videos. It's not just about my schoolwork and how busy I am, it's actually something that's happened on my YouTube channel, and I can talk to you guys about that in a separate video. If you want to see that, if you want to show your support, you know what to do. Smash that like, it's gonna be around there somewhere, so just hit that so I know that you support me and I can make that video as soon as I can for you guys. But anyway, enough about that. I am taking you guys to Cabo, and it is gonna be an amazing journey, and I cannot wait. So without further ado, let's hit it. Hey. It's not. There it is. Okay, so we are on the plane right now, leaving Durango to go to Denver. Yeah. Hey, look at this dude. We've got Peyton. We've got Jackson.
That's super awkward stuff.
And we've got this weird kid. So we're in the hotel in Denver. We've got these four boys. Hey, how you doing? Alright, hold on, let me flip it over real quick. Hey, we're gonna wake up early tomorrow to go to Cabo. I don't know what else to say. Right now we're talking about GoPro stuff.
So currently it's 9:10. We're gonna wake up around 5:30, 6 o'clock. Then we're gonna travel to Cabo. Bravo!
So we just arrived in Cabo with my buds here, plus Jackson holding the camera. How you doing? So right now we are getting taken to our house where we will be staying for the next couple days. And then we've got some activities planned for the rest of the trip. Alright, so we just entered the house we were staying at. It is freaking beautiful. I'd like to thank you again, and I'd like to thank Jackson twice for holding up the camera. I don't know what we have in store for us, but I think we're gonna get checked into our rooms and hold up. So this is the outside area. We're walking into the pool. Oh my god, okay, hold up. Oh jeez, there's a freaking kitchen.
Yeah, so that's the bar.
Okay, look, there's seats right here. Okay, look at this.
Look,
get a good
look
shot.
over there too.
Look.
There's jets, and when you turn them on, it turns this into like a river. It's pretty neat. Oh yeah, there's also a slide.
Oh god. Okay, wait. Or there's a slide somewhere they just said.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh wait, what's it go down to?
It goes down to that pool. Feel the water too.
What? Yo, okay, hold it. That's gonna be fun to push you into later. I mean, what? So this is where we're gonna be staying for the next 7 days. I can't say it enough. It is amazing, amazing opportunity. I'd like to thank Peyton and Jackson and their mom again, and let's go do some stuff.
Yeet.
Okay, so it's day 2, and we are setting up this awesome Wipeout course in the pool. We're gonna have a competition, and there goes Jackson. Oh God! So we're gonna have a competition to see who can get from point A to point B the fastest. The finish line is gonna be through the slide down into the second pool. So this is gonna be pretty fun.
Alright everybody, this is Peyton vlogging for a moment, and you're about to see Robbie go his first try in our try of the Wipeout course.
All right. Is the GoPro like? Should I angle it down a little bit?
I guess so.
All right. So wait, does someone have the timer ready, or is you just gonna count it?
I'll just count it in my brain.
All right.
Ready?
Wait. Okay, go.
2, 1, go.
I got it! Yeah, here we go!
That was legendary.
This is Jackson's run for the Wipeout course.
Oh! Smack dab on the right. Come on, moving. Pressing towards the yellow.
Come on, Jackson, you got it. Get it, Jackson. Onto the green. Come on. Go, Jackson. Go. I'm stuck. Come on. Go, grab. Go. Come on. Alright, on the next green. On the next green, guys. Come on, Jackson. Come on. Woo! Woo! Come on. Let's go, Jackson. Come on. Come on, Jackson. You got it. Go. You're almost there. How do we get on the yellow? This is as far as I got. No! Go! Squeeze, Jackson, squeeze! Jackson, no, Jackson! You were so close! No!
Oh, DNF.
Back to me for a moment. This is now gonna be Ori's time. Moment for the Wipeout. Let's see how good he does. He's been doing really good for his practice rounds.
3, go!
Like half the course in a couple seconds. Like, wow.
Yeah, where'd we go?
Go, Ori, go! Yeah! Go!
And finish. Peyton, are you ready to go? All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Come on, Peyton! Keep going! Come on! Come on, Peyton! And he's done.
All right, we're going round 2, and we're starting off with Robbie.
Here we go.
Let's go, Rob.
That was a way better round than last time. Woo! All right, 3, go. 2, go. 1, go. Ooh, boy!
Well, that was a nice try by Jackson.
Time's up to you. Update you guys. Cool playing. Been going down the slide. Did swipe out. Decided to do some other games. And surprise! Wait, sorry guys. I hit my head. Trying to see if I hit my head. Sucks. Yeah, just giving you a quick update.
Hey, Peyton! See, I had it for a second. Hello?
I got 23%, baby!
Guys! Oh, God.